Hi, coming to you from the Adzon craft room. Today we are going to make a bonbon. This is a project that is on Canvas Workspace. Right, so you can download the project sheet, but we have made it a little bit different and a few adjustments by using glitter, vinyl, which we create our cardstock, and adhesive vinyl on the label instead of foiling. The requirements that we have used for this project are some brown cardstock, which we are using for the bonbon. This is a shimmer cream or ivory cardstock, which was also for the bonbon. Now the other parts of here on the front of the bonbon, we are using our adhesives. This is our adhesive glitter, which we attach to our cardstock. So we have our beautiful glitter cardstock, which does not flake. And then we are using this gold, it's a flat gold adhesive vinyl, okay, which is on the front there as well. The other requirements you will need a brayer, a squeegee, some adhesive tape or glue, your vinyl auto blade, your standard blade, and you will also need some transfer tape. This is a new one, which is gridded, and as you'll see when we go to use. Right, now we have brought in the pattern from Canvas Workspace, and we now have the three images. We have the bonbon, which we will cut out, okay. We have this oval with the little scallopy edges on it, and then we have the centerpiece. The centerpiece we are going to change, and we'll show you how to do that. So firstly we will select our bonbon. Now I have in our standard cutting blade, and we will go through to cut, and we must check that we have our settings right. Okay, I do know I need to put my pressure up for this particular card, and make sure we've got our half cut turned off. Okay, that is very important, otherwise it will only cut halfway on your card. We'll remove that off the mat, and to fold this you will find there are little score lines, little prick score lines, where you can fold it so when that comes around there, we will glue, when we put this together later, we will glue that together and all those little bits and pieces. Okay, so there is your basic bonbon. Next we will cut our oval shape. Okay, so now we will select our oval piece, not that one, not this one. Now we're going to cut out the oval here. So we have our shimmer cream cardstock, and we will go across here to cut, press cut, and that is the oval shape there. Okay, so there we have our oval. That's just a template for the foiling part. Okay, so there we have our oval. Right, now we're going to cut out our joy here with our little oval, which looks like it's done with foiling, but we have done it with this lovely adhesive vinyl, which gold adhesive vinyl that looks like foil. We have put in our vinyl blade, so we will go across here to go to cut, and then we'll go into our spanner and we need to check our settings. Okay, on the second page we'll turn our half cut on and our weeding box on. So the weeding box, we'll put a little box around so that we can see where it is. We're not wasting heaps of vinyl. Okay, alright, so I'll just check our, well, on there, sorry, our half cut, we'll leave it on auto, and there we go. Okay, so we have our weeding box around here, so I am actually going to cut on that weeding box line, so we don't need to waste any little bits that we might want to use for other projects around there. And then with our weeding tool we will weed away the vinyl. Just watch for any little bits that tend to want to lift up, such as a little dot above our J, because it's only small. So I've tacked him down. And there we have our joy. So we are going to use our transfer tape to remove it from here and put it onto our oval. Alright, so I've cut my little piece here and I will peel this off from the backing and put it over the top. Okay, now with my squeegee I will do it from the back and you'll be able to see your impression coming through. Okay, that really helps it adhere to the tape. Okay, and then we will carefully peel that off. Okay, so there it is attached, and we will then put that onto our oval. Upside down. Use our squeegee again. And just carefully peel it back, and there we have it. What a quick, easy way to do some lovely foiling. Alright, so we're going to now cut our scalloped oval here, which is from our glitter cardstock that we made using the adhesive vinyl. So you can see where we have cut out our poinsettias. So we have taped down some corners so that they don't flick up and get stuck in the way. So we are going to scan our mat, which is the beauty of the scan function, because we can see where everything is and we can use up a lot of these little small areas of our card. See, and we can see where we already have got one cut out. So I'm going to rotate this, go into edit, and I will rotate that 90 degrees. I'm going to move it over here and cut it out beside where I cut the other one. Use my arrows to move. We can also enlarge here with our magnifier so I can see where. This saves wasting a lot of space and etc. So we'll go through now to cut. We have our standard blade in because it is card. So even though we have the vinyl surface, it is card that underneath that we are cutting. So we'll just go in here. Our cut pressure, I do need to put it on 3 for this. Okay, so here we have our scalloped oval cut out. We have our lovely cream that's going to sit over the top. Okay, and our middle part, we created that in Canvas Workspace.